Good afternoon, students. In today's session, we are going to discuss what is social change and education and social change. So, what is social change? Change is a very broad concept, though change is all around us. We do not refer all of it as social change because every change is not social change. Thus, physical growth from year to year, change of seasons do not fall under the concept of social change. Change which is related to our society, which is related to social things. So in sociology, we look at social change as alterations that occur in the social structure and social relationships. The International Encyclopedia of the Social Science looks at change as the important alterations that occur in the social structure or in the pattern of action and interaction in societies. Alterations Alterations may occur in norms, values, cultural products, and symbols in a society. Other definitions of change also point out that change implies, above all other things, alteration in the structure and function of a social system. The simplest and the most important definition of social change: alteration in the structure and function of a social system, institutions, patterns of interaction, work, leisure activities, goals, norms, and other aspects of society can be altered over some time as a result of the process of social change. So let's talk about major aspects of social change. Social change is essentially a process of alteration with no reference to the quality of change. It is essentially a process of alteration with no reference to the quality of change. Change in society are related, linked to change in culture, so that it would be sometimes useful to talk about socio-cultural change. Some sociologists differentiate between social change and the cultural change. Social change is defined as alteration in the social structure, including the changes in the size of society or in particular social institutions or in the relationship between institutions. They feel that social change refers mainly to actual human behavior. Cultural change, on the other hand, refers to variation in cultural phenomena such as knowledge and ideas, art, religion, moral doctrines, values, beliefs, symbol system, and so on. So this distinction is abstract, but in many situations it is difficult or nearly impossible to decide which type of change is occurring, which type of change is taking place. So for instance, growth of modern technology as part of the culture has been closely associated with alterations in the economic structure on important part of the society. And number three, social change can vary in its scope and in speed. You can talk of small scale or large scale changes. Changes can take a cyclical pattern when there is the recurrence of centralization and decentralization in administrative organizations. It can also be revolutionary. Revolutionary change can be seen when there is an overthrow of government in a particular nation. Change can also include short-term change in migration rates as well as long-term changes in economic structures. We can include in social change both growth and decline in membership and size of social institutions. Change may include continuous processes like specialization and also include discontinuous process such as a particular technical or social invention which appears at some point of time. Change also varies in scope in that it may influence many aspects of society and disrupt the whole social system. The process of industrialization, which affected many aspects of society. In contrast, the substitution of matches for rubbing sticks to start a fire had a relatively limited scope. Some changes occur rapidly, but others take a long time. Many of the Western nations took many decades to become industrialized, but developing nations are trying to do it more quickly. They do this by borrowing, adapting from those nations which have already achieved it. Most sociologists assume that change is natural, inevitable, ever present part of life in every society. When we are looking at social change, we are focusing not on changes in the experiences of an individual, but on variations in social structures, institutions, and social relationships. So, social change is seen to be a neutral concept. The two other terms that have been allied with this concept are evolution and progress. Evolution expresses continuity and direction of change. It means more than growth. Growth implies a direction of change, but essentially in size or quality. Evolution involves something more intrinsic. Evolution involves something more intrinsic, a change not only in size but also of structure. Progress implies change in direction towards some final desired. It involves a value judgment. All changes are not evolutionary and all changes are not progressive. So the direction of change need not involve any value judgment. The diminishing size of the family and the increasing size of economic units are matter of historical fact. Social change is a value neutral term in the sense that the sociologists do not study social change in terms of good or bad, whether it is a good type of social change, is it bad, desirable, or it takes place automatically and naturally. So one must admit that it is a difficult task indeed to make a value-free critical analysis of changes taking place in the structure of a society. For education, how it is related to education, how it affects or influences education. Education is a powerful force for societal transformation, influencing individual beliefs, behaviors, and opportunities while shaping collective values and norms. So, this explores the intricate relationship between education and social change, which highlights its mechanisms, impacts, and challenges within various contexts globally. First is education and social change. Education serves as a catalyst for social change by transmitting knowledge, skills, and values that shape individuals' understanding of the world and their roles within it. It empowers individuals to critically engage with society, challenge existing norms, and contribute to progressive change. The process of social change through education is dynamic, influenced by cultural, economic, political, and technological factors. So, in our next session, we will discuss it in detail education and social change.